Hi everyone, welcome back to Savage Kitchen. First of all, I need to thank you so much guys for watching my videos, sharing them and for your lovely comments. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get notifications. Today, I'm really excited to share my crepe cake recipe and you will be amazed to see how easy that to make. Okay, now I'm gonna start with making crepes. First, I'm going to combine my all dry ingredients. 320 grams of plain flour, 40 grams of caster sugar and just 5 grams of salt. So shift them together to remove all the lumps. After it's well combined, add all the eggs. I am adding 4 eggs one at a time and mix it well. Please make sure you are adding the eggs in room temperature. After all the eggs are added, I'm going to add 750 milliliters of full cream milk. Pour the milk slowly while you are stirring it. So after you added all the milk, you will get a runny mixture. Finally, I am adding 60 grams of melted butter. Now I'm going to put this mixture in the fridge for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm taking the batter out. It has been a bit thicker and you can see all the flour particles has been dissolved in the batter. I am passing it through a strainer to remove all the lumps. Now it's a cooking time. So I'm going to spray some oil to the hot pan. I'm using a ladle to pour the batter into the pan. Make sure you are just adding to cover the base of the pan. Make the crepes as much as thinner you can. Cook for about 1.5 minutes each side. I am using a spatula to flip the crepe. Place your cooked crepe on a cooking tray with a baking sheet and let it cool down completely. The next thing I'm gonna do is trimming the crepes. You can pack all of them together and trim, but I found this method is much more easier. Here I have used a base of a 7-inch spring foam pan. Take few crepes at once and cut the edges using a sharp knife. Now I'm done with the trimming and I'm going to coat them with cream and Nutella. For this coating, I'm using 400 milliliters of thickened cream and 50 grams of caster sugar. Beat them until it becomes thick and spreadable. And I'm gonna make the Nutella a bit runny to make it easier to spread. The best way to do it is the double boiling method. Here I'm using a spatula to spread the cream. So repeat the same steps until you get all the crepes are layered. Make sure you just coat the crepe with really thin layer of cream and Nutella. And finally, I'm gonna cover this whole thing using a thin layer of cream. Just after it coated, keep this in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. After it's cooled down, I'm decorating the sides of the cake using roasted crushed hazelnuts. Until the cake is set, I'm gonna make the ganache. Here I'm using 100 milliliters of thickened cream with 85 grams of dark chocolate, simmer the cream for a few minutes and add it to the chocolate and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes and mix it well. So let it come to the room temperature. It gives an elegant look with really nice taste. Once it's done, I'm going to put the ganache on the cake. So here I'm using a strainer to remove the lumps and all the air bubbles. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So give your feedback in the comment sections below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye until next time.